JEs and AEs as association in Vizag area, we are nearly 200 people are there here. This is MES is a department. It is meant for Army, Air Force, Navy, Coast Guard and Research and Development, Ordnance Factories. We are construction agency. We are not getting promotions from AE to EE rank since 2016, even after many fightings, correspondences, but in recent we have protested with black badge protest nearly 3-4 months all over India. We observed the protest for the getting the promotions. In recent last month we have all over India 114 has promoted from AE to E rank. For this kind of action we are very thankful to the Government of India, Ministry of Defence, and as well as our officials, IDS officials and Army officers, and UPSC board also. We hope and confident this type of DPC will conduct every year so that we can become up to E rank at least before retiring. This is the brief of the AE to E promotion we got, that we on this behalf of we have conducted this meeting. In addition to this, we have so many problems are there. For type 3 and type 4 quarters accommodation, we are not getting in this station. It is construction is very less. That also we want sufficient accommodations we want, so that who has posted in the station and can get the easily accommodation. And one more request, we want temporary accommodations. Who is coming from the outside on temporary basis, on TD basis, temporary duty and on promotion. We have to give them shelter at least to get the accommodation 1 week or 10 days, so that they can accommodate in a 1 week 10 days time being. After that he will get the accommodation outside or government accommodation. That accommodation, temporary accommodation for that single person is required. And one more requirement is officers mess. We are not having any officers mess. Promotee officers not having any officers mess. As per scales, Government of India scales authorization, we are authorized for officers mess, entitlement is there. But in this station we have not that officers mess. We want that also. And some grade pay issues also there. We are after second MSc also we are getting only 4,800 grade pay. We want 5,400 grade pay. That is very genuine, and in other cadre also they are getting, draftsman cadre also they are getting. We want that grade pay issue also. And merger issue, one merger issue is there. QSNC, quantity surveyor and contract a separate division is there. And engineering cadre is there, civil. Engineering channels people are doing execution part, and QSNC is part, JEs and AEs are contract management, contracts, preparation of tenders, like that. And Government of India now, our department is thinking about the merging of these both cadres. If you merging these both cadres, lot of problems will face by the executives. Since last 20-30 years they are doing some type of duty. All of a sudden, if they merge, they cannot do their duty properly. They cannot do our duty, we cannot do their duty also. We are against this merging of this cadre also. And these are the main agenda points.
Today meeting is All India MES Civil Engineer Associations, MCA का. I am the secretary of MCA HQ. Today burning issues ही कि हमारे जो डिपार्टमेंट से जो मांगे हैं रिगार्डिंग DPC से प्रमोशन से रिलेटेड है, उसके रिगार्डिंग हम लोगों ने कुछ पॉइंट्स उठाया। ऑल एसोसिएट्स आर जमा हुए हम लोग, और इसके रिगार्डिंग हमने ये बात किया कि भाई आखिर हमें चाहिए क्या, हमारी जो मांगे होती है, एक तो डीपीसी हमारे ऑन टाइम कंडक्ट नहीं हो पाती, उसके रिगार्डिंग था। दूसरा इशू है हमारा कि जो प्रमोशन है ऑन टाइम नहीं मिलता है, वो है। और अदर इश्यूज़ हमारे चल रहे हैं, डिस्कशन अभी वो हम बताएंगे। प्रीवियस जो हमारे डीपीसी मिल गया है उसके लिए सर्वेयर कैडर का जो है, और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि अभी एक नया शुरू हुआ है मर्जिंग ऑफ सर्वेयर कैडर और क्यूसेंसी कैडर का, तो उसके रिगार्डिंग हम लोग अपना एसोसिएट से फीडबैक ले रहे हैं, जो कि हम उसके प्लस और माइनस दोनों पहलुओं पे विचार कर रहे हैं। उसमें बेसिकली क्या है कि आप जब आप कैडर मर्ज करेंगे किसी भी का, तो वो कैसे आपका सीनियरिटी प्रीपेयर कैसे होगा, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है। सीनियरिटी क्यूसेंसी कैडर का अलग है और इंजीनियर्स कैडर का अलग है, तो वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है इन इस केसों में।
హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వైజాగ్ విజన్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఛానల్ అందిస్తున్న జాతీయ అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయి వార్తా విశేషాలు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.